Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about InitiaAirdrop, which is officially backed by Binance, and recently Initia's public testnet got live guys, and we'll be able to participate in their testnet so that you might get the eligibility for the airdrop in the future. Okay, so do not miss this opportunity, and it's free of cost. You don't need to pay any money, and it's a Binance backed project. And here you can see guys, already they have raised $7.5 million in the funding round, and here you can see what are the project have invested in this one, and including Binance Lab. Okay, and recently also I made a video about movement airdrop, and Initia also gave an update about Galaxy Quest. Okay, so if you complete their Galaxy quiz, you might have earned the OAT. So I hope you'd have claimed it, in case if you are watching my videos from very long period of time. And in this video mainly we're going to see how to participate in their testnet and how to claim the NFTs. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the very end guys. And before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, all I'm asking you to do for me is just give me one like and continue watching it guys, because many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time-sensitive information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. So in case if you haven't followed me here, must to follow me here also. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into the video guys. So first of all, you'll be able to get this link in the description, so just click on the link, it will take you here. So once you come here, first thing we need to connect our wallet. Okay, so just click on the connect wallet, and you need to have your Kepler wallet. Okay, so keep your Kepler wallet ready. With that only we'll be able to participate here. Okay, and then just click on approve and connect to your Kepler wallet. So here you can see guys, my Kepler wallet got connected, and next thing we need to claim the faucet. Okay, so just click on this one, and then it will take you to their faucet page. Okay, Initia faucet, and all we have to do is just click on the submit button. Okay, so our address will be automatically shown up here, so just click on submit. So once you click on submit, and here you can see guys, it will say success. Okay, so sometimes you might face the error. If you face the error, try to do it again and again, then it will be done. Okay, so we have received 30 INT. Okay, so just open your Kepler wallet, then you'll be able to check your balance. Okay, then sometimes it won't show up here. In case if it's not showing up here, just click on this one and click on manage visibility chain, and type NIT. Okay, so if you type so you'll be able to find your Initia token here. So just click on save, and successfully you received your balance now. Okay, and if you click on the second task, we just need to assign an Initia username. Okay, so it will take you here, so just type the username. So guys, after it will take you here, all we have to do is just click on connect wallet and click on Kepler, and then we just need to give approve. And once your wallet got connected, just type the name which you want to give here. Okay, so username. So after you find your username, just click on the enter. So after you write the username, just click on the enter, and here you can see it is available. All we have to do is just click on register, and then we need to approve it. Okay, so just click on approve, and then Kepler wallet will show up. We just need to click on approve again, and then it will be done. So here you can see I got my thing ready. Okay, so this is how you need to register your username. So it's very simple. In case if you are facing error, try to do it after some 1 hour or 2 hour or tomorrow. Okay, because recently only they launched their public testnet, so obviously we might face some bugs. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you. So after you complete this, just come back to this platform again, and here you can see guys, it will be turning into NFTs. Okay, so we'll be able to mint this NFT, but first complete all the tasks, and then finally we'll be able to mint the NFTs. Okay, so next thing we need to swap, so just click on that one, and then it will take us here. Okay, so now I'm going to swap one init for USDC. Okay, so just click on next and click on confirm, and we need to click on approve. And once you click on approve, then here you can even keep it in high, and just click on approve. So here you can see guys, it may say failed. Okay, but if you click on your account, and here you can see the balance got already switched. Okay, so sometimes it will say failed, but still the transaction would have gone through. So here you can see we received the USDC. So like that we gotta do it with other thing also. Okay, so just click on back, and now choose TIA. Okay, and then type 1, and click on next, and click on confirm, and then we need to approve it. Okay, so just click on approve and then again click on approve, then even this transaction will be done. So even though if it will say failed, but still we would have received the balance. Okay, so that's how it works now. So currently you can see even this one is saying failed. It's just showing failed because they could not reach the transaction result. Okay, so that's why it's showing failed. But if you click on here you'll be able to see the balance in TIA. Okay, so now we need to transfer for Ethereum also. Okay, so try to transfer one to Ethereum. Just click on next, click on confirm, and again click on approve. And once you click on approve, Kepler will open. Just click on approve again, and even this transaction will be done. Okay, so it just failed to get you the result of the transaction. Okay, so but the transaction is actually going through, so that's why this error is showing. So sometimes you might face a real error, like the transaction limit have reached and all. If that shows, what you have to do is you gotta wait for 1 hour or 2 hour. After that you come and try, then it will go through. Okay, so now just come back here, and we completed all these 3 tasks. Okay, so now the next one is stake init with the validator. Okay, so just click on this one and then it will take us here. So sometimes in case if it's showing error, no, so just disconnect your wallet and connect it again and then try. Okay, so now here we need to stake our init. Okay, so just type 1, click on next, and click on next again, and again confirm, and finally click on approve, and then Kepler wallet will show up. Just click on approve, and even this transaction got done successfully. Okay, so that but it failed to give us the transaction result, but the transaction gone through successfully. But how to know whether it got successfully done or not is you just need to come back here, and then this one should be turning into NFT. That's when you know that you completed the task. Okay, so just do the refresh and see. So guys, after you do the refresh, now here you can see it got completed. Sometimes it will take 1 to 2 minutes or even 3 minutes to show that you completed the task or not. Okay, so you gotta be patient and wait and see. Then finally you get to see the task got done. Okay, so the 5th task, we have to stake init LP with the validator. Okay, so just click on this one, then it will take us here. So I'm gonna go with TIA with USDC. Okay, so our balance, USDC balance, will show up in the below. So just click on the maximum and click on the next, and again next, and click on again confirm, and then we just need to click on approve, and Kepler wallet will show up. Just approve it, and once you approve it, just wait for a few minutes, then it will be done. Okay, so here you can see guys, when we try to stake the USDC, it was actually showed failed, but then still finally I end up staked it here. Okay, so here you can see the balance got detected. So once it's shown up like that, just come back here, and here you can see guys, it got completed. Just now I minted the NFT, so I just paused it for a while because it was showing error for a very long period of time, but now I was able to complete all the tasks. Okay, so after you complete all the tasks, we have to mint all the NFTs. So here you can see already I minted 3 NFTs. Minting is very simple, so just click on the mint and click on approve. So once you click on approve, the Kepler wallet will show up. Just click on approve again, and then the process will be done, and your NFT will be minted. Okay, so it will fail to show the result of the minting, but still here your NFT would have surely got minted. Okay, so here you can see it will say like that, but your NFT would have surely got minted. Okay, and now finally we need to claim the staking rewards. Okay, so just click on this one and click on approve, and once you click on approve, your Kepler wallet will show up. So guys, here you can see even this task is done, and we just need to wait for a while, then even this will be completed. We'll be able to mint this NFT too. So once we minted all these NFT, we just need to combine this NFT. So I'll show you how you can combine it. So now here you can see guys, we'll be able to mint this NFT now. So just click on mint and click on approve, and again click on approve, then it will be done. We'll be able to mint this NFT. So here you can see guys, finally we would have minted all the NFTs. No, it will show up like this. You have collected all the Jenny cards. Now we need to combine them to get 600 XP. Okay, so just click on build Jenny, and we need to click on approve, and once you click on approve, Kepler wallet will show up. Just click on approve again, and now the transaction got done now, so we need to wait for a moment, then we'll be able to give the code and earn extra XPs. Okay, so guys, finally once you mint the NFT, it will be looking like this only. So here you can see the balance that you got for just minting it, 600 XP you will be getting initially. And now if you scroll down, if you want to earn more XP, now here you can see earn more XP, just click on this one, and if you click on the first thing, referral code, it will ask. Okay, so I'll be leaving my code in the description, so all you have to do is just click on copy the code and come here and paste it here and click on enter. Now so once you click on enter, we'll be able to earn 50 extra XP. Okay, and once you give the code, just click on approve, and then your Kepler wallet will show up. Just click on approve again, and finally we'll be able to get it. Okay, so once you give the code, you'll be able to get this 50 extra XP. And apart from that, if you go inside their Twitter account just to give authorize, and then we'll be able to earn this extra 30 points also, I guess. So just come back here and we'll be able to get this extra 30 XP also. Okay, so after we completed this one, so we got 50 extra XP, and after completing the Twitter task also, you'll be able to get extra 30 XP. Okay, and if you join in the Discord, you'll be able to get 1000 above XPs. Okay, so this is the way for you to earn more XPs, and the more number of XP you have, the higher chance of getting huge amount of airdrop will be there for you. Must try this one, guys, because this one is Binance backed project, so obviously it has a chance of getting listed in Binance. So don't miss this one, free of cost, we don't need to spend any of our money, so must try this one, guys. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, in case if you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. And you going to face lot of error, guys, because recently only it got launched, you know, so many bugs are there, so it is not properly working. So you gotta be very patient and complete all the tasks. Okay, so then you will be able to finish all the tasks and get this NFT. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.